weird day, like just like little amount of orders, small amount of orders for DoorDash, and it's just not as busy today, which is weird. It's just constantly busy here till today. And then no tips on any of the orders, which is really weird. Usually you'll see, you know, a few bucks or something. But yeah, so far no tips. I just did a Walgreens order. Had to go in the store, shop, pick it all out, pick it up, and then bring it to the house. And no tip or anything, but I don't know. That's just kind of sucks. So yeah, so that's that. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Thanks for the love on the last video. And yeah, we'll see what happens next. I'm trying to get this freaking beard. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to do it myself somehow. But this guy like handed me his card, and he's like, "Here you go, man. I just gotta make an appointment. Just give me a call." And no, his line is discontinued, so I can't call him whatsoever or get a hold of him. So TBD on that beard situation. So here's one thing that sucks. You have to pick up an order inside of a hotel, so this will be fun. So somehow I got down south. I don't know how, but check out this view. Oh, it's so cold. This on. I gotta go to the bathroom. Oh my god. It's not really like cold, it just gets windy, like cold wind, and it gets in your bones. It's so weird. Never would have thought this place would be. So this is fun. I got a drop off at a freaking hotel casino. And you have to go through all this valet and traffic and stuff. It's just, ugh.
Put some trees up there. Some trees. Look kind of cute if you put some trees on the middle of the building in front of.
So yeah, I'm down south, and man, it feels like south is just better to work. South Vegas is better to work. There we go. And north is like a lot better to sleep and go to the bathroom and other facilities. Man, why won't you stay up? Things. These window shades. Oh, what's this? I gotta put this on the other freaking side. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching today's quick vlog thing. Just wanted to kind of go back to the old school. I don't know, just wanted to make an old school one, I guess. Not old, but I don't know what I'm saying. Just a basic vlog. Hopefully, yeah, I want to make like a few other videos. Kind of like explain everything here. I'm gonna fix this thing, man. I'm gonna rip it apart. But I just don't know. I don't know. I want it done a little bit better than what I'm thinking. There's this too. What happened over here? And then yeah, a friend wants me to go to California on Saturday. So, I don't know. I don't know. I know I should go there, but right now I just have a few other things I need to do here. Just not quite ready to leave here. So yeah, it's probably a better view. Sorry for seeing my big fat face and this hair right here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh man, what am I saying? I just don't want to go just yet. I just have some things I need to do before I go, so a few more things